Here we go. Here we go. There's our son enjoying the current blizzard of February 5, 6, and 7. Decked out with his Uber cantilevered umbrella and a full meal, water, and lip goo, and a little bit of silver to keep down on the giggles. And his beautiful little hot tub. Isn't that special? And I just shoveled about 10 minutes ago. There's already an 1/8 of an inch of snow, according to Mom. Signing off. And there's our backyard. That's my Honda Insight in front, and that's the Nissan Frontier crew cab right there, with what looks to be 2 foot of snow piled on top of it.
The snow's too deep to...
I have actually shoveled this walkway 3 times since, well, not today, but yesterday. And it looks like we still have chicken coops. The chickens are probably wondering where the hell their food is and why they can't see anything. Now the chickens are like, are you nuts? We got lots of wind, lots of blowing. Daddy's gonna go suit up and battle the elements for a while until he gets fed up with it. Bye. Okay, so after about 3 hours of work, I've managed to get a little path out here over to there so I can feed the chickens. Path only to about there, and then not even the whole driveway. This snow is really heavy. Anyway, glad this is a waterproof video camera. So yeah, there's the that's the edge of my work zone, and the truck piled high, and the Honda you can barely even tell is there. But yeah, I've seen 2 cars so far, mostly ignorant people going out to get cigarettes apparently. So most people have the sense to stay in the house. So I did get a fair bit cleared, but I've damn near destroyed my snow blower getting this much uncovered. So anyway, I'm here for a while. Looks like those trees are not in too good a shape. I'm kind of hoping I think those are all cable, but there might be some power lines. But anyway, so yeah, lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of snow. That's 2 feet here, easy. And probably a little bit over 2 feet. And it's still snowing like it was yesterday. So still got lots to go. Alrighty, well, that's all the news that's fit to print for right now. Till I get upstairs and get something to eat. Take it easy.